I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to add money to your food service balance. A couple of quick features. The first thing you would notice when you log into Parent Portal is you will see a new area that says Food Service PIN barcode. Right below the barcode is the PIN number that your student will type in during lunch or breakfast, and that is how we process payments. That is a good number for your young student to know and to practice with, and that will always stay the same throughout their career here at Aberdeen School District. You also see a quick view of your food service balances. If this is zero but you had money in our prior system, we did transfer it over. You will see that once you get into the food service program, and once you make your first deposit, this one will update. So the first thing you have to do is set up a payment method. So you go up to the top right and you click on the wallet, and that will bring you to payments methods area. You can add as many cards as you want, but just a reminder, there is a 35-cent processing fee for e-checks. That's from checkings or savings account, and there's a 4.7 processing fee for any credit cards that you use. You can set up a primary card, and that will be used each time, but you can put as many credit cards as you want. Once you get into the wallet area, you click New, and it'll take you through a process of setting up those cards. Okay, so we've gone through the process of setting up a card. Now we click on our choice hamburger button up here, and we'll go down to food service, and it will bring up our balance, and then it will bring up any students that you have. In order to add some money, I would click Pay. I would add an amount to my cart, and then I say Add to Cart. Then I click on the cart, and it shows me my students. It shows me the amount of money that I want to put in towards my students. I check my payment method, and it'll show me what my service fee will be. If you don't have any payments methods here, you can also click Add Payment Method, and it'll go through that same process of adding a credit card or a savings account. Down here is the email where it'll send to my receipt, and then I just hit Submit Payment. Once I hit Submit Payment, you'll get an email receipt, and that money will be instantly available for your child. A couple of other tools to help you out for food service is on the top right. You can hit your user menu and then go to Settings. And then click on Notification Settings. In Notification Settings, there are a number of different notifications that will appear on your phone if certain things happen, like a assessment is scored or your grade is updated. But the one for food service is this lunch balance is low. You select that and you choose the amount of money that you want to be notified at. So in this instance, if it gets less than $20, there will be a notice that comes out on the phone. And one other thing with food service, if you go to your hamburger menu again, and you go down to More, and you click on Meal Benefits, there is a process for the free and reduced lunch types. If you're not sure, it's a good thing to just try this anyway. You may qualify for free or reduced lunches. And that's it for this tutorial. Contact your schools if you have any questions about Parent Portal. Thank you.